Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello. 안녕하세요. konnichiwa. 사와디카. 마부하이. Welcome back to Solo channel. Today we are going to learn Year 3 Phonics. The sounds for FL, PL, BL, CL, and GL. Pada hari ini, kita akan belajar Phonics tahun 3, bunyi FL, PL, BL, CL, dan GL. Before that, I would like you to recap Phonics lesson of Year 2 in below description. Sebelum itu, anda boleh mengimbas kembali pembelajaran Phonics tahun 2 dan linknya telah saya berikan di bawah. Alright. Let's proceed to our lesson today. Are you ready? Let's go. Mari kita mulakan. Do you remember the sound for F? Yes, it is F. Repeat after me. F, F, F. Again. F, F, F. How about L? O. O. One more time. O. Together it makes F. Repeat after me please. Sila ulang. F. Fly, terbang. Fly. Repeat after me. Fly. Flower, bunga. Repeat after me please. Sila ulang. Flower. Again. Flower. The sound for P. P. Repeat after me please. P. One more time. P. And can you still remember the sound for L? O. Again. O. Together it makes pull. Another one more time. Pull. Play, bermain. Pull, play. Another one more time. Pull, play. Plane, kapal terbang. Pull, plane. One more time. Pull, plane. The sound for B is B. Repeat after me, please. B. Another one more time. B. And the sound for L, yes, it's O. Another one more time. O. Together it makes bull. Again, bull. Blue, biru. Blue. Again, blue. Blonde, perang. Blonde. Another one more time. Blonde. Good job, everyone. Let's proceed to our next phonics. Do you remember the sound for C? It's K. Again, K. And the sound for L is O. Another one more time. O. Together it makes cool. Repeat after me please. Sila ulang. Cool, cool, cool. Again, cool, cool, cool. Clap, tepuk tangan. Cool, cool, clap. Another one more time, please. Cool, cool, clap. Clock, jam dinding. Cool, cool, clock. Cool, cool, clock. And the last one, the sound for G is G. G, G, G. Another one more time. G, G, G. And the sound for L is O. O, O, O. Again, O, O, O. Together it makes go. Go, go, go. Repeat after me please. Sila ulang. Go, go, go. Glue, gum. Go, go, glue. Another one more time please. Go, go, glue. Glass, cawan yang tidak bertangkai. Go, go, glass. Another one more time. Go, go, glass. Alright, it's exercise time. In this exercise, you have to write the answer using all the phonics that we have learned today. It's either FL, PL, BL, CL, and also GL. Di dalam latihan ini, anda perlu menulis jawapan yang betul menggunakan phonics yang telah kita belajar, sama ada FL, PL, BL, CL, dan juga GL. I'm going to read the word and you have to repeat after me, and then you have to write the answer. If you cannot print out this worksheet, it's okay. We are going to read together, and then you just have to write the number and the word in your exercise book. Saya akan bacakan perkataan dan anda perlu baca bersama-sama saya serta tulis jawapan yang betul. Jika anda tidak boleh print bahan ini, tidak mengapa. Anda hanya perlu tulis nombor dan jawapan yang betul di dalam buku tulis anda. Shall we start? Let's go. Mari kita mulakan. 1. Plane. Do you remember? The sound P. P and O. P. You can write your answer. 2. Blonde. B and also O. Bull. Please write your answer. 3. Clap. K and O. Cool. You can write your answer now. 4. Glue. G and O. Go. Write your answer. 5. Fly. F and O. Full. Please write your answer now. And the last one, 6. Play. P and also O. Pull. You can stop this video to check your answers. Before we check the answers together, anda boleh memberhentikan video ini untuk menyemak jawapan anda sebelum kita semak jawapan bersama-sama. Good luck! Have you finished? If yes, let's check the answers. Number 1. Plane. P and O. Pull. P-L-A-N-E. For every word, please spell after me. Untuk setiap perkataan, sila eja bersama-sama saya ya. Number 2. Blonde. B and O. Bull. Blonde. B-L-O-N-D-E. Number 3. Clap. K and O. Cool. C-L-A-P. C-L-A-P. Clap. Number 4. Glue. G-O. Glue. G-L-U-E. Glue. 5. Fly. F and L. Fl. F-L-Y. Fly. And the last one is play. P-L. Pull. P-L-A-Y. Play. Alright, well done for your great effort today. I hope you have lots of fun learning our first phonic lesson today. Till then, thanks for watching. 감사합니다. 아리가또 고자이마스. ขอบคุณค่ะ Salamat. See you in the next videos. Bye. 안녕.